to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how can you change some of the properties in this template. You can change everything from color to text and everything in this template. So once you open the project file in After Effects, you see that we have different folders, placeholders, final render and others. In final render we have a full HD composition that you see all of the elements in here. We have 5 elements, 5 in the screens, and you see that the first one is stable. You can enable or disable them in here, and copy and paste on your project or render exported from here. So in places we have colors, and colors we can change color of them. For example, the first one, if I double click, you see that we have a controller null object in here, and in here all of the color controllers are located under this category. And if I change some of the elements color, you see that we can change it very easily. And we have olders checkbox that you can on and off these. They are not placeholder, they are just a solid color. Maybe you need them. For example, you can add a gray color and export them with the gray color, and in YouTube Studio you can add your YouTube videos. So in here you can add placeholders like image or video, because the screens are not working like that. You have to export it with the solid color or without these solid colors like this, and then add them in YouTube Studio. So all of the end screens are working like that. So you can change the color of these solids as well. And if I go to another project, for example the second one, you see that we have different controllers in here. We have a logo in here. You can change the logo in here. If I go to image in the screen and logo, you see that you just click this one and drag your image or your logo in here like this. If I go to, you see that, and you can on and off them, on and off this logo as well, and you can on and off the older. Like this, and you can change color form like this. And if you want to white and black color, you can just check. You have to just enable this. This is for white and this is for black, because it's a 3D model. It's very hard to just color correct this in After Effects. So I add this option for you guys to simply add black and white version. And also you can change the logo position at the back of the font in here like this, very easy. And if I go to text, you see that we have a bunch of them, and we are in the second one. Just open the second bin, and for example if I change this one, channel text, I can simply change this text to one like this. You can change color and font in here as well. You see that all of them are working as same, and they're very easy to customize. So guys, that was it. If you had any question, feel free to reach me out, and we will see you next time.